If you want to know how to make money online, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Do you want to make some extra cash without investing anything? Do you have some free time and a reliable internet connection? If yes, then you are in luck. In this article, I will share some of the best and easiest methods to make money online for beginners. 1. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the most popular and profitable ways to earn money online. You can start a blog on any topic that you are passionate about, such as travel, fashion, food, fitness, etc. You can use platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Medium to create your blog for free. To make money from your blog, you need to attract visitors and monetize your content. You can do this by using methods such as advertising. You can display ads on your blog using networks like Google AdSense, Media.net, or Propeller Ads. You will earn money every time someone clicks on or views your ads. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services from other companies on your blog and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank to find products to promote. Sponsored posts. You can write articles or reviews about products or services from brands that are relevant to your niche and get paid for it. You can find sponsored post opportunities on platforms like PayPerPost, Izea, or Linkia. Digital products. You can create and sell your own digital products on your blog, such as ebooks, courses, podcasts, etc. You can use tools like Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia to create and sell your products. 2. Take online surveys. Taking online surveys is another easy and fast way to earn money online. You can share your opinions and feedback on various topics and get paid for it. You can find online survey sites that pay you in cash or gift cards. Some of the best and legit survey sites are Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the most popular and trusted survey sites that pays you for taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, shopping online, and more. You can earn points called SBs that you can redeem for cash via PayPal or gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, etc. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is another reputable survey site that pays you for completing surveys on topics like consumer products, health, lifestyle, etc. You can earn points that you can cash out via PayPal or e-gift cards. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a survey site that pays you for taking surveys, reading emails, watching videos, playing games, and more. You can earn cash that you can withdraw via check, PayPal, or gift cards. 3. Test websites and apps. If you have a good eye for design and usability, you can earn money online by testing websites and apps. You can provide feedback on the functionality, layout, navigation, content, etc. of various websites and apps and get paid for it. You can find website and app testing jobs on platforms like User Testing. User Testing is one of the most popular and well-known platforms for website and app testing. You can earn $10 for every 20-minute test that you complete. You will need a computer or smartphone with a microphone and internet connection to take the tests. Userlytics. Userlytics is another platform that pays you for testing websites and apps. You can earn $5 to $90 per test depending on the complexity and duration of the test. You will need a webcam and microphone to take the tests. TryMyOi. TryMyOi is a platform that pays you for testing websites and apps. You can earn $10 per test that takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. You will need a computer with a microphone and internet connection to take the tests. 4. Sell your photos. If you have a knack for photography and a good camera or smartphone, you can earn money online by selling your photos. You can sell your photos to stock photo sites that pay you royalties every time someone downloads or uses your photos. Some of the best stock photo sites are Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the largest and most popular stock photo sites that pays you for uploading your photos. You can earn from 25 cents to $120 per image download depending on the size and quality of your photos. iStock. iStock is another leading stock photo site that pays you for uploading your photos. You can earn from 15% to 45% of the sale price depending on your exclusivity and popularity. Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a stock photo site that pays you for uploading your photos. You can earn from 20% to 60% of the sale price depending on the type and quality of your photos. 5. Teach English online. If you are a native or fluent English speaker, you can earn money online by teaching English to students from different countries. You can teach English online using platforms like VibeKid. VibeKid is a platform that connects you with Chinese students who want to learn English. You can earn from $14 to $22 per hour depending on your experience and performance. You will need a bachelor's degree and a TEFL certificate to apply. Kids is another platform that connects you with Chinese students who want to learn English. You can earn from $16 to $20 per hour depending on your qualifications and availability. You will need a bachelor's degree or above and a TEFL certificate to apply. Cambly is a platform that connects you with students from different countries who want to practice their English skills. You can earn 17 cents per minute or $10.20 per hour for chatting with students. You don't need any degree or certificate to apply. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.